You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I
She believes her child deserves only the best this world can give. Her happiness lives in simple
I'll be
things, a
your
laugh that fills the
friend.
room, a quiet voice that
I'll
softly
be
says,
your
Mama,
guide
I love you.
whenever
She'll break her own heart into pieces just to heal the cracks in
I'll be
yours.
by
She
your
carries
side.
pain so you can stand
I
whole
love you
again once
more and
more.
more each day.
A mother cries when you are hurting. She cries again when joy is near. Her tears are born from endless love that lives for you year after year. To be a mother means sometimes standing alone against the storm with trembling hands and fearless heart. She protects you from
As long as you are mine, and I thank you for
time will pass and she grows older. Her strength no longer the same.
waiting for you.
You
all
get
my
busy
life.
chasing dreams and slowly forget her
You are my
name.
dream come
You turn
true.
away, ashamed somehow of hands worn thin by
You're the light in
time.
the dark
Not
inside.
knowing every breath she gave was once to keep you
I've been
alive.
lost and not
Have you forgotten how powerful a mother's love can be? When she kneels and prays with tears, even heaven listens quietly. God never turns away from a mother's broken plea. Her prayers fire, her tears are light that guard you.
Inspiration, and I love you.
A mother cries when you are hurting. She cries again when joy is near. Her love is not a passing thing. It stays through every year. If you still have her, hold her close before time steals the chance. Because a mother's love is rare.
I will never let you go.
A once in a
You're my
lifetime
sweetest
babe.
addiction. You're my
I'm Rodrigo. Dear child. Living with grace, loving with everything. Thank you for showing us what a strong leader looks like in and out of the clinic. Happy Mother's Day to the best mom, Mom's Class. Si Doggy, Diba?
Mama, wag mo nang basahin, ma'am. Sa inyo na lang, ma'am, para ma-excited. Yung bunso mong anak.
Aris. Right? Letter F. Keychain.
Ma'am, sa inyo mo na basahin.
Ano to? Basado niyo yung quest mo. Right?
Maybe nabasa na
Ayan. Sige. Then, binasa na niyo.
Hindi, sa sunod na.
Unahan lang.
Mabunot ka na.
Ma'am, bunot ka isa. Saan ka? Ma'am, pili ka muna dyan, ma'am.
Kung ano yung nararamdaman
Mo ngayon.
Dyan siya.
Kung anong kulay.
Happy.
Thankful, angry.
Pili, ma'am, dali. Ano ba?
Para ano yan?
Siyempre pink ako.
Ano yung pink?
Ano yung pink, ma'am? Happy.
Thankful.
Thankful.
Okay. Let us be thankful and so worship God acceptably with reverence and awe. Hebrew 12:28. Hindi ako marunong magbasa na sa Bible.
Ayan, ganyan. Bubunot ka lang dyan kapag kay...
Ano to? Tinipe mo pa talaga?
Hindi, ma'am.
Diyan na yan, ma'am. Pag
Pag ganyan talaga siya.
Galing mo. Tama pala, Ira, tamang-tama yung what? Ang dami kong lucky charm. At nung ako'y nagpunta sa dun sa healing, horoscope, tarot reading, voodoo,
Kompleto.
lucky charm, ang dami mo na.
Kunin mo na lahat yun.
So, gagawin ko na lang, ikaw na lang to. Joke lang. Diba? Palain mo yun, Ira, ha? Baka masobra naman tayo nito ng ano.
Ayan na!
Ayun.
Ayun, the best regala.
Ano yun? Ba't ka natatawa? Sabi niya, Ira,
Hindi kaya mo yan gawa ng paraan.
bakit? Ano ba ito?
Panganghapa, ma'am.
Ang haba.
Ma'am, di ba yung tinitignan mo sa ano, parang ganyan?
Saan?
Nakaano ka dyan? Kaso yan, ma'am, may tali yan. And, ma'am, isama nyo na lang si Summer sa...
Yung puputulin, ma'am.
Oo.
Dalawa kami ni
Dalawa.
Summer.
Hindi na,
yung
ma'am,
Summer.
kasi sobrang haba niya pala.
Oo. Okay lang yun, at least dalawa kami ni Summer.
Sabi ko kay
Babe.
Summer
Thank
na lang
you.
papunta.
Sadya naman. At talaga, ito, kay Jersey, Lord na tayo.
Happy.
Happy Mother's Day!
Eh,
Hey.
Thank you.